Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So friend, my name is Umra and I am a mother of two kids. I have been learning this language. I love to learn English and I love to speak English. That's why I am putting little bit effort. And as you know that this is my fourth day, this is my third day practicing of English speaking, because I realized that if I really want to speak English, then I have to speak in English as much as possible. So I am trying to speak in English, because when I started learning this language, I put lots of effort to learn grammar, because I used to think that if I learn grammar properly, then I will be able to speak this language properly. Then after that I spend lots of time to learn lots of vocabulary, because I used to also think that if I have a big bunch of vocabulary, so I would be able to speak this language fluently and naturally. But I was totally wrong, because if you really want to speak English, then you have to speak. It doesn't matter that you have great knowledge of grammar, you have a great vocabulary, but the matter is that you should start speaking as soon as possible. Only then you will be able to speak this language. So what actually I am trying to tell you, that being a housewife and being a mother of two kids and having lots of health issues like dry eyes and my ear problem, एंड मेरे दोनों कान के पर्दे एक्चुअली ख़राब है. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट इन इंग्लिश दैट. और मैंने एक पर्दा मतलब अपना डलवा लिया है, अभी दूसरा मुझे डलवाना है पर्दा. So I don't know how to say it in English. That's why I told you this in Hindi. So here I am trying to say you that when we start understanding the value of time, understanding the value of good things, then we should start doing them as soon as possible. So here you can see that I am fumbling and I am struggling speaking English, but no problem. Now I don't feel shy. I don't think that what will people say about me, that and if anyone laugh at me, so laugh them. So I will try to speak English on every basis, and I will try to speak English as much as possible. Because why I am create this channel, because friends, when we start doing something, so it become compulsion for us to do the thing in a proper way. That's why I created this channel. So please tell me how to improve my English in a fast way. And if I make any mistake while speaking, so please tell me in the comment section, and you can correct me, because I want to learn this language. I know it will take lots of time, because it's not our mother tongue, it's other language for us, and we don't have any person who speaks English well. Even I don't have even a single person around me who can tell me that you should do this, you should not do this. So I have been learning this language just by myself with the help of YouTube. So you can also improve your English. And I would love to tell you friend one thing, that I am so happy that I am able to speak that much English for 4 minutes and 38 seconds, and it is a very great moment for me, because before 1 year I couldn't utter even a single sentence, and I did not know how to make even a proper sentence. But yeah, I am speaking by fumbling, but inshallah one day will come when I will be able to speak fluent English without struggling and without fumbling, and in a natural way. So if you like my video, my effort, please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.